Subscribe another channel, Automotive Area channel, click link at description. Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. Can-Am announced the newest addition to its funny-backwards-trike lineup with the all-new Ryker model that BRP hopes will open up a whole new market for prospective entry-level trike riders. To make the 2019 Can-Am Ryker more appealing to non-motorcyclists, it gets a fully automatic transmission. The fully automatic continuously variable transmission, CVT, helps level the learning curve for new riders. Simply roll on the throttle, and the CVT sorts it all out for you based on load and throttle position. Your choice of Rotax 600 ACE or 900 ACE engines to power the Can-Am Ryker. 2 selectable power modes are available on the 2019 Can-Am Ryker. Once in the saddle of the Ryker, you will find 2 selectable power modes, Sport and Eco. Eco is self-explanatory, while Sport will kick up the fun quotient. However, the Ryker defaults to the standard riding mode every time you start the bike. Pricing starting at $8,499 for the 600-powered version, the 2019 Can-Am Ryker is substantially cheaper than anything currently offered in the Can-Am on-road stable.